Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of things you could check if you're having a problem using the right-click New Microsoft Word document selection on your computer. And what I mean by that is, let's say you're in a folder, it could be any folder or your desktop, and you right-click and you have some options for new here. So you have various choices here. I could do new text document, new folder, new shortcut. But sometimes you might be missing this Microsoft Word document, and it could be kind of frustrating trying to get it back if everything appears to be, working correctly otherwise. So what some people will do is they'll do like an office repair or an office fix, by going to their programs and features such as this, and then finding Microsoft Office and then change. And then you could do a quick repair or an online repair, but sometimes that doesn't work and you're back to square one. So when that happens, you need to most likely go into the registry and check some settings there. Now, this is not just a straightforward add this and you're done. There are several things that need to be in place in order for this to work. So I have the registry editor open here, but if you don't know how to get to it, you could click on Cortana or start here, or you could do clicking on the Windows key plus R to bring up the run box. Then you could type in regedit. Say yes to the prompt if you get one. And now you'll notice you'll have several keys here, 5 different keys. What you want to do is go to the first one, HKey classes root, kind of expand that, and you want to browse down to .docx, because that's the new, not the new, but it's the latest Word extension. It used to be .doc, as you can see up here. Then expand that folder, and you want to check for several things here. First of all, you want to make sure you have this Word document 12 folder here. And underneath that, you want to make sure you have the ShellNew folder. So if you don't have this folder, you could right-click on here, New Key, and then type it in, and exactly, as you see here, and hit Enter. But we have that, so we're going to delete it. So be careful when you're deleting and adding stuff to the registry, because you can really mess things up. So you just add that with the default values, nothing to change there. And then under that, you need to have a ShellNew folder, spelled just like that. And within that, you need to have the default string here with no value set, and you also have to have another string named typed exactly like this with this path to this particular directory, and I'll show you why in a second here. And if you don't have this, once you make this folder, you could right click in here, new, and you want to pick string value because you want it to be this reg_sc type, and then from there you could double click it, type in file name here, and then type this in here. I don't need that, so I'm going to delete it. And so I'm going to open this one because I want to copy this path here. Because one other thing you need to check is if you open up your Windows Explorer, or you could just do a search here and paste that in, you want to make sure you have a blank Word document called word.docx. They're all in caps, so you can make sure it's all in caps. And you're not going to be able to make it here, so you're going to have to make it like on your desktop and then copy it into here. So make sure you make this Word document, nothing in it, save it with this name, copy it into this folder here, and then that's part of the step there, because that's where this is pointing to. So okay, so once you have this Word document 12 with this setting in here, then the ShellNew subfolder with these 2 values in here, and then open with list, make sure that's correct. ShellX. This should all be default stuff, so we shouldn't have to do anything with this. So the main things you're looking for is to have this Word document 12 folder, the ShellNew folder with these 2 strings, and then make sure you have this ShellNew folder, have the Word document in there as well, and that should take care of it for you. And then actually one other thing, now that I'm looking at it, in the main docx folder, you want to have this string here. You might have this string here, and it might just say, instead of word.document.12, it might say word.docx. You could just double click that, edit it, and make it say word.document.12 to fix that. And then this stuff should be the same. If not, you can add them. So what I did is we have a page on the website that explains how to do this with some screenshots and explanations. So if this is kind of hard to follow, then you could go to that website page. I'll put it in the description, and then you could kind of follow along and see if you could get this figured out, because otherwise it's kind of difficult to get that back there. And for me, it's a real pain if I can't have that right-click New Word document option. All right, check out the site and see if you can get yourself fixed. And thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.